So here's how to book a flight through VPN. But before we start, you can click on my link down in the description to try out Pure VPN for free. Start by opening the Pure VPN application on your PC. Here, tap on the location as shown to change your location using the VPN. Then, tap on Connect and wait. You have now successfully connected your device to this server. Now, open your browser and go to au.trip.com. Here, fill in your flight details and then tap on Search. As you can see, you will now find cheaper options available for the flight tickets using the VPN. Select the flight tickets that you like. This way, you can change your region to your preferred destination using Pure VPN and book your flight. And that's it. You can now easily book a flight through VPN.